afternoon. Welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. This is Times Now Live Wire and I'm Hina Gambhir. Viewers, the big news that we are breaking for you on Times Now is the biggest update that we have got as far as TMC Chatgate is concerned. Viewers, we have a big breaking update and we have the first official confirmation, in fact, coming in from the Trinamool Congress itself. Trinamool Congress has confirmed that it was indeed a Mahua Moitra versus Kalyan Banerjee face-off that we saw on camera. In fact, that's the big breaking update coming in. Let's listen into this first reaction from Saugata Roy, the TMC MP.
I was not there when this spat between Kalyan Banerjee and Mahua Moitra took place. I was at the Bijoy Chowk. The spat took place in front of the Election Commission. And then I found that Mahua was crying and she was going to several MPs, also other parties, to complain about Kalyan's behavior.
Let's now go across to my colleague Hrithik joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Hrithik, first official confirmation really coming in from Mr. Saugata Roy himself, who is a very, very senior politician, a TMC member of parliament, and he has confirmed that it was indeed a spat that happened out in the open between Mahua Moitra and Kalyan Banerjee. He's also confirmed Mahua Moitra was crying. Give us more details. Now, what can we expect next in this particular matter?
Well, the big blow that is coming for the Kalyan Banerjee, what we know that now the supreme, the top leaders are, taking cognizance of this row, and what we're given to understand, we have the first reaction from a very senior leader of Trinamool Congress, that is Saugata Roy, who was himself present during that day when TMC decided to hit the ECI to submit a memorandum. He said that that Mahua Moitra, while she returned from the ECI at the parliament, she was saw crying in front of others MPs, and also Saugata Roy went on record, said that spat was over between Kalyan Banerjee and Mahua Moitra, and including Mahua Moitra. During that time, many other MPs also complained about regarding the misconduct and continuous misconduct of Kalyan Banerjee with women MPs who had been there and that very day. And what we are also told by the Saugata Roy, that he said that matter is up to Mamata Banerjee now, and party should take stronger action against Kalyan Banerjee, and time has come for his repeating mistake. Now the time has come that Party Supremo Mamata Banerjee should remove Kalyan Banerjee from the post of Chief Whip of the party in the parliament. So it is a big blow what we consider, and what we know that the party is also considering to take actions, and now all the MPs, because that is confirmed now that it was between Mahua Moitra and Kalyan Banerjee. Both the MPs have directed to remain mum, but what we're learning that Kalyan Banerjee also came down heavily against party leaders like Saugata Roy, and it is a befitting reply that what Kalyan Banerjee is getting from a very senior veteran politician, Saugata Roy here in Kolkata. Back to you.
Right. In fact, Hrithik, Saugata Roy also has mentioned that he feels Kalyan Banerjee should be removed from his post. The time has come, as you're also telling us, the time has come. The party should take stronger action against him. Let's once again play out that specific bit of this soundbite that we've got of Saugata Roy, the TMC MP. Then I'll come back to you, Hrithik.
I feel strongly. I feel that Kalyan should be removed from his post of Chief Whip of the Parliamentary Party immediately. But I leave it to Mamata Banerjee's judgment. That Kalyan is not fit to be in the post is apparent to me. I have not said it so far because of his behavior, of his wrong English. But now I find that time has come to say it.
Let's go back to my colleague Ritik, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Ritik, quite strong words have been used by Saugata Roy, and in, very clear words he has said Kalyan Banerjee is not fit to be in this post. The question really is whether Mamta Banerjee will take action against her own member of parliament because of what has happened between him and Mahua Moitra. Have we heard anything from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee or any source-based information as to what can be expected next in this particular case?
Let me tell you why that leaders like Saugata Roy is coming down heavily against Kalyan Banerjee, alleging for his misconduct, and what we can see there is fallout of for a relentless kind of behavior which went against the party by Kalyan Banerjee. Kalyan Banerjee being infamous for attacking its own partymen, be it MLAs or mantris or even this time MPs with bad words, be it inside the parliament or outside the parliament, and that triggered massive controversy. Now what we can see, that party has directed to Kalyan Banerjee and other MPs to remain mum, but also we're also picking up that the matter is now went up to the party supremo Mamta Banerjee. She could take a stronger action, and this kind of reactions coming from someone like Saugata Roy, who claim now that time has come to take stronger action against Kalyan Banerjee. It shows that he pressure is mounting against Kalyan Banerjee. What we know that this chat went leak, that was in which many member of parliament, including Saugata Roy and Abhishek Banerjee, was a part. So what we know now, the Supremo will take the call. Now more pressure is mounting, and it is embarrassing for the party, what we believe at this point in time.
Right, Ritik, request you to stay on with us now, viewers. It was BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya who had in fact put out first the videos of this alleged confrontation between two MPs belonging to the Trinamool Congress, and now a confirmation has come in from another TMC MP, Saugata Roy, that the confrontation indeed happened between Kalyan Banerjee and Mahua Moitra. And here's another reaction that we've got for you from Saugata Roy. Listen in.
हम दुखी है, ये होना नहीं चाहिए. मैं नहीं जानता हूं कि सच में ये विवाद हुआ कि नहीं. अगर सच में ये हुआ तो ये दुखद बात होगा. हम 29 लोग हैं लोकसभा में, सब एक साथ मिलके काम करना चाहिए.
So this was the reaction that Saugata Roy gave earlier, and now he has in fact given a confirmation. He has confirmed that those two MPs from Trinamool Congress were indeed Kalyan Banerjee and Mahua Moitra. So far, viewers, officially TMC had not said anything on this issue. TMC reportedly had told MPs also to not talk about this particular issue. Listen in to what Saugata Roy said.
I was not there when this spat between Kalyan Banerjee and Mahua Moitra took place. I was at the Bijoy Chowk. The spat took place in front of the Election Commission. And then I found that Mahua was crying, and she was going to several MPs, also other parties, to complain about Kalyan's behavior.
Let's go back to my colleague Ritik, who continues to be with us at this point in time. Ritik, now this is significant, and it seems like an embarrassment as well for Trinamool Congress specifically, the one party which I believe has maximum number of women representatives, a party that takes pride in sending women as members of parliament as well, and has got a chief who's also a woman, has now seen a situation wherein a woman MP and another senior member of parliament got into a verbal spat that led to Mahua Moitra also cry in front of the Election Commission of India's office, and an absolute silence there as far as Mamta Banerjee is concerned on this entire episode. Isn't it shocking?
It's really shocking, but what we're learning from the party sources, that party top brush and including the party supremo Mamata Banerjee could take stronger action against, member of parliament. And biggest embarrassment over this entire row is who leaked that chat. Remember, as I earlier also mentioned, that who are the member of this particular WhatsApp group, which belongs to the member of parliament of the Trinamool Congress party, in which Abhishek Banerjee is also a part. And so who was the mole? Identifying that person is more challenging, and which is why parties dictate to the entire MPs that they should remain mum. But what we can see, that after this massive controversy triggered a row, now leaders like Kalyan Banerjee and on the other hand Saugata Roy are attacking each other, and it shows the amount of anger and the embarrassment that is going on inside the party. But what the top sources of the party are confirming us, yes, the Mamata Banerjee and leaders like Mamata Banerjee are taking cognizance of this matter. They're considering what steps should be taken next to die down this anger, because amid is a situation when the ruling dispensation of Trinamool of West Bengal, the Trinamool Congress is undergoing a difficult time as per the Bengal politics is concerned. And what we can see, that this is another row within the party, sending a significant message that how the rift is wide and clear as per the length and breadth of the party is concerned. Be it at the
all is not
level,
well. That's clearly visible as far as the TMC is concerned. Ritik, request you to stay on with us. Let's also tell a little bit about, what exactly has happened. What is this entire story all about to our viewers? Viewers, it's messy, it's ugly, it's bitter, it's scandalous cat fight. And it's all caught on tape. After releasing screenshots of the WhatsApp chats between TMC MPs Kalyan Banerjee and Kirti Azad, where Kalyan Banerjee was ranting against a certain versatile international lady and her beautiful activities and her many boyfriends, BJP's Amit Malviya had released 4 videos of the confrontation that unfolded a few days ago between Trinamool Congress MPs. Now, as per sources, in the first week of April, the 2 TMC MPs had a public spat at the headquarters of the Election Commission of India, where they had gone to submit a representation. We just got a confirmation from Saugata Roy, another TMC MP, that it indeed happened, and it happened between Mahua Moitra and Kalyan Banerjee of the Trinamool Congress. Now, sources have told Times Now that TMC had instructed its MPs to gather at the Parliament office to sign the memorandum before proceeding to the Election Commission. But Kalyan Banerjee, who was carrying the memorandum, skipped the Parliament meeting and went directly to the Election Commission of India's office. Now, this reportedly angered Mahua Moitra, who confronted Kalyan Banerjee when they came face to face at the Commission's office. A heated exchange followed, with Kalyan Banerjee shouting and ranting against the TMC MP. He used the terms like versatile international lady, chore, illegal acts and private agency to lash out at his party colleague. Let's break down the videos one by one for our viewers. In the video number 1 that you're now seeing on your screens, watch how TMC MP Derek O'Brien tries to calm down a visibly upset and irate Kalyan Banerjee. He reminds him that they are at a public place and he should not be behaving in this manner, the way he was. Take a look.
I'm pleading with you all. I'm pleading with you all. I'm pleading with you all. Are there 30? I'm pleading with you all. Public place, brother. I'm pleading with you all. I'm pleading with you all. Are there 13 of us? I'm pleading with you all. Public place, brother. I'm pleading with you all. I'm pleading with you all. Are there 13 of us?
So you saw, viewers, what happened in this particular video. Like this, there are about 4 videos in total that were posted by BJP's Amit Malviya. And now, of course, we are waiting to officially hear from Mamata Banerjee. So far, the only official confirmation that has come, in fact, has been from Saugata Roy of the Trinamool Congress, confirming the spat, the verbal spat that happened outside the Election Commission of India's office. We have Rahul Sinha of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on the broadcast as well this afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. your reaction to this entire saga, and first confirmation coming in from Saugata Roy that these two MPs were Mahua Moitra and Kalyan Banerjee. He is saying Kalyan Banerjee is not fit to be holding the post that he is holding right now, and strict action should be taken. How will you like to respond?
देखिए, तृणमूल कांग्रेस में अभी जो स्थिति हुआ, दोनों गुट में तृणमूल कांग्रेस नीचे तक डिवाइड हो गया, एक पीसी का एक भाईपो का, और दोनों का लड़ाई इतना नीचे तगड़ा हो गया जो एक नेता दूसरा नेता को खून कराने के लिए सुपारी किलर को वो हायर भी करना चालू कर दिया है। इतना घटना भी पश्चिम बंगाल में अभी तक हुआ, तो इसीलिए गाली गालोच तो ये तो साधारण बात है। तृणमूल कांग्रेस का जो सफाया होने का जो समय आ गया, ये घटना उसका एकदम जीता जागता उदाहरण है। हम समझता हूँ जो तृणमूल कांग्रेस इस ढंग से ये लड़ाई अपना आपस में शुरू किया, इस लड़ाई में ही तृणमूल कांग्रेस का समाप्ति हो जाएगा, ऐसा ही हम लोगों को विश्वास है, और समाप्ति का कतार पर ही तृणमूल कांग्रेस अभी खड़ा है।
ये जो बीजेपी की तरफ से व्हाट्सएप चैट्स रिवील किए गए थे, इस चैट्स को हमने जब देखा तो उसमें कुछ स्पेसिफिक शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया है, जैसे कि चोर, प्राइवेट एजेंसी, इलीगल वर्क इन टीएमसी। इन सब के बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे? और आपको लगता नहीं है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस एक ऐसी पार्टी है जहां पे विमेन एमपीज, विमेन को रिप्रेजेंटेशन ज्यादा मिलता है, और यहां पर जिस तरह से महुआ मोइत्रा के साथ बर्ताव हुआ है, सो फार वी हैवंट रियली हर्ड एनीथिंग फ्रॉम ममता बनर्जी। ओके, आई थिंक we've lost that connection. We'll try and reconnect with him and get that reaction in just a bit. But that was Rahul Sinha of the BJP speaking 2 times now. Now, going back to the videos, in fact, that were released by the Bharatiya Janata Party. In the second video, you can see an irritated Kalyan Banerjee is on a rant. When you listen to the contents of the video, you will realize that he's referring to Mahua Moitra. He goes on to use the term chor and says chores are not threatening to get me arrested. When he was reminded by a colleague about the presence of media, he said, and I quote, "I want the media to know of everything that is happening." Listen in.
सब एमपी है सर, हम लोग मेरा एमपी है, सबको बोलते होंगे अरेस्ट करोगे। हाँ, थोड़ा आके शेयर दो प्लीज। मोहिरा बोले शो वन प्लीज, मोवा छोटा बोला अरेस्ट करोगे। मीडिया में होग ना, मीडिया আমি তো চাই মিডিয়া হোক, তো কত বড় सब एमपी है सर, हम लोग मेरा एमपी है, सबको बोलते होंगे अरेस्ट करोगे। हाँ, थोड़ा आके शेयर दो प्लीज। मोहिरा बोले शो वन प्लीज, मोवा छोटा बोला अरेस्ट करोगे। मीडिया में হোক না, मीडिया আমি তো চাই মিডিয়া হোক, তো কত বড়।
Now, viewers, take a look at video number 3, and this is an explosive one. Here, Kalyan Banerjee is heard going after a party colleague for illegal activities. He says, "We are not here for private agency." He's also heard shouting and saying he's not come to the TMC via any quota or hasn't jumped ship from any other party.
ग्रुपिज्म में जब होगा तो हम भी कुछ करेंगे, देखता है। करिए। But I will not allow to do any illegal work. We are not come here for any private agency here. अरे क्या तुम नहीं, हम अंदर नहीं है, क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको? तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको? हम कोटा में नहीं आए हैं भाई, और उन्होंने अलग पार्टी छोड़ के नहीं आया। ग्रुपिज्म में जब होगा तो हम भी कुछ करेंगे, देखता है। करिए। But I will not allow to do any illegal work. We are not come here for any private agency here. चला। अरे क्या तुम नहीं हम अंदर नहीं है यार, क्या है? तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको? तुम क्या समझ रहे हो मुझको? हम कोटा में नहीं आए हैं भाई, और उन लोग अलग पार्टी छोड़ के नहीं आए हैं।